So here we have a multiple choice question. So let's start with raise. And we'll read the question. What is the decimal equivalent of the fraction 4/9? This is an NS question type. Identifying our key facts, we really don't need to because the only fact we have is that we're trying to convert 4/9 into a decimal equivalent. We'll show our strategy. One way to do it is to divide the numerator 4 by 9. So we're trying to have 9 go into 4. So we'll put a decimal and a 0, put a decimal up here. 9 goes into 40 4 times. That's going to be 36. I subtract, I get 4, 0, bring it down, that's 0. 9 goes into 40 4 times. That'll be 36. Subtract, I get 4. I still have a number, so I'm going to bring down 0. And then 9 goes into 40 4 times. That'll be 36. And this will go on forever and ever and ever, right? That pattern will go on forever and ever. So we know that we've got 0.444, but it goes on forever, like we said. So it can't be choice B because even though there's 0.4 there, there's no ... to indicate that it goes on forever. So it's not B. Same thing applies for choice D. Even though there's more 4s here, it stops after this last 4. So unless it has ... we don't know, or a vinculum, that little line on top. If it doesn't have one of those things, we don't know that it continues. So it can't be choice D either. If you chose choice A, then what you did wrong was you switched the order of these two values when you were dividing, and you divided 9 by 4 on the outside, which is incorrect, but that's how you got choice A. And that is also wrong. The only answer that works is choice C. And we will eliminate our distractors. I believe the distractor, you can pick either B or D. And I would actually say choice D. So I'm going to say the main distractor is choice D because student thought more 4s meant more accurate. And they didn't know about the ... meaning that it goes on forever. Was meant more accurate. So there we go. That was a quick one, not too bad. You could have also used the function in your calculator where you hit, you enter 4/9 in your calculator. That would have been 4, ABC, 9. Then you hit the second button and then the back arrow, because the back arrow in the lower left corner has the F to D function. And what that does is that takes whatever you enter, in this case it's a fraction, and turns it into a decimal. And if you enter a decimal, it turns it into a fraction. So this is the long way to do it. And if you're ever not too sure, you want to double check, you can use this function here in your calculator to help you out.